Bigfoot Ink is a custom apparel company who specializes in online merchandise stores. Most of the business that we do, we collaborate with booster clubs, nonprofit organizations, and corporations to do on-demand print stores.
This year alone, we have 250 students out participating in clinical and practicum rotations with 60 different business and industry partners right here in Aledo, Parker County, and even the western half of Tarrant County.
Our student interns, they are such a great part of our program. We actually were excited to have the intern because a lot of the timely things that we do is artwork.
I've been in the graphic design pathway all 4 years of high school, and with Miss Martinez, we took every single certification test. I have the Photoshop, Illustrator, and I think InDesign.
We were very happy to welcome in a student that's got the Adobe Illustrator Suite certificate that understands different types of file prints, creation of graphics, and things like that. The kids know what the kids like, and so whenever they put their own creative spin on something that we're trying to produce, they know what other students are gonna like and what's gonna trend.
They're developing practical skills, they're building professional relationships, and they're really gaining real-world experience all before high school graduation.
The Aledo School District is something really special, and it's something really special for us to be a part of. So I would like to really just thank our Aledo School Board and everything that they do here in our community to help our kids grow up to be awesome adults. Specifically, thank you, Forrest Collins, for the opportunity to just be here in our community and supporting your small local business.
So just a huge thank you to Aledo ISD Board of Trustees for being champions of career and technical education. All of the support you've given our programming makes all the difference in the world. And a special thanks to Forrest Collins for being one of our biggest cheerleaders on all of our CTE endeavors.